to Princeton, Indiana. It's only about a 3.5-hour drive, so not too bad. And then, yeah, it's actually only 2.5 hours from St. Louis, which is pretty awesome. So we're excited to hit the road to the next spot. Well, we had our first cat escapee this morning. Brian was bringing Chloe to the truck and she definitely jumped out of his arms and ran under the RV next to us. Luckily, she kind of got scared and kind of just froze there, and Brian was able to grab her, but I knew this was going to happen eventually, so it was only a matter of time. But luckily we were able to catch her, and she's a little freaked out right now, but we need to come up with a better system to do this, because otherwise it's going to be one long work season. I am definitely going to miss these views. Just look how pretty that is. Someone is ready to hit the road. Rosie, you ready to hit the road? She's definitely our explorer in the car. She loves it. Rosie. Zoe and Chloe are definitely our more skittish travelers. Chloe is hiding under here. So yeah, there's Chloe, our little cat escapee. Hopefully they get a little better at this as the time goes on.
Reached your destination.
You can find this one on their self-titled EP, which is now on iTunes. Here's WD-40, Muscadine Bloodlines on the horizon.
These spots. What is happening?
Where are we?
Oh my God, that's crazy.
Well, we finally made it to Indiana. As you could probably see, the first campground we went to was a little on the sketchy side. It was very odd. They had like animal statues everywhere, and it literally just looked like someone bought a bunch of land and then put a bunch of hookups in it. But we were at a campground about 5 miles from that one. It's a little nicer. And apparently they have water. We haven't tested it out yet, but we are praying they have water. My little traveler, she literally just slept the whole way here again, and Chloe was scared out of her mind after her little freak escape this morning, and Zoe's been literally laying in the litter box the whole trip. So hopefully this gets better.
So it tightens to a certain extent, and then it's...
So needless to say, today has been definitely one that has tested us a little bit. From Chloe escaping, we got here and I accidentally set the microwave on fire, maybe, when I was making chicken. And then we had a flood in our kitchen, and now we are currently dealing with a pipe under the sink that is leaking every time we turn the faucet on. So we have water, but it's giving us some challenges, so it can only go up from here, right? At least let's hope so. All I have to say about today is, God, you win this one, because it's been one heck of a day and it surely tested us, but we are getting through it one fiasco at a time. I don't know what this is right now, but well, as you can probably see from my last few videos, yesterday definitely didn't go as we thought it would, but we made it through. We got some sleep last night, and today has finally been a little calmer. We still have the leak under the sink, and the drain's been backing up for some reason, but we have water. We got warm showers last night, so at least that is, something that's been good for us. Yeah, so we're just hanging out in Indiana. Brian went to work today, and I've been working all day on client plans and going to the grocery store, and we'll be here for the next week or so, so hopefully we are done with all the fiascos that happened yesterday, but only time will tell. So thank you for watching this episode of RV Livin' What the Hail, and I hope you come back and see what else is in store for us, because I'm sure it'll be crazy knowing our luck.